This demonstration we're going to have a look at how we can use Performance Monitor to monitor Hyper-V. So the first thing I need to do is just add some counters. So we'll click the add button here, and what I'll do is I'll now start adding in the counters. So what I've added here is I've added % guest runtime, and I've added that against LonCL1. I've also as well got read operations per second on my virtual storage device, and that's also on lon-cl1, and then on the Hyper-V host itself under the logical disk here we're looking at disk reads per second on the C and D drive. So now we've added in those counters, we'll just select OK, and we can now see that counters are whipping away quite nicely down at the bottom here. We can see that there is something happening on this Hyper-V host. Next thing we'll do now is we'll just introduce some contention into our system. So all I'm going to do here is launch up the console to my Windows virtual desktop. Then within my virtual desktop, I'm just going to come into Windows Explorer. Within Windows Explorer, just go to my C drive, go to my lab files folder, go to module 3 here, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to run our CPU stress tool. So we'll just right click this, we'll just run this as administrator. What we'll do here is we'll now set this to high for the priority class. What we'll do here as well for the thread priority, we'll make this highest, and in the case of activity we'll just scroll this down a little bit and we'll make this maximum. So what we're now doing is we're just introducing some CPU stress. So we'll now just minimize down console. What we can see straight away is we can see the read operations per second have increased here. We can see the guest runtime as well. If we just highlight this, that's increased as well, so we can see now that we are getting some stress coming from that virtual machine. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.